Welcome all loyal subscribers and Cafe Racer fans. Today I show how I made some small stuff to the frame. First I make small support between the frame and subframe. After that I make end pieces for original shock tower, so that they blend into rear loop. Let's start hammering. As you are still watching, I assume you are my kind of subscriber. So hit the subscribe button and bell icon to keep up with this build. I'm pleased with end results, and I found it very satisfying to shape metal with some creative ways. This just reminds me that I don't need all the fancy tools to make metal shaping, although it would make life more easier. If you want to find out what happens next, subscribe to the channel. You can also jump backwards in time, or, if it's already possible, you can jump to future and see next episode of the build.